Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to get verified on Twitter. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we need to get to the Play Store and check if the Twitter application is up to the latest version. If not, you can just go ahead and update it, but in my Twitter application it is already updated to the latest version. As for it, only shows uninstall button and open button. There is no update button. And once you've confirmed, you can just go ahead and go back and then open the Twitter application. And once you've opened, we're just going to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Once you've tapped it, you will be presented with this set of options. And in this set of options, right next to profile, you will see a Twitter Blue. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it. And unfortunately, it is not available in my country. But you can go ahead and check if it is available to yours so that you can subscribe. Okay, so the perks of subscribing to Twitter Blue. Once you've subscribed, Blue subscribers with a verified phone number will get a blue checkmark once approved. And the perks: prioritize rankings in conversations and search, see approximately twice as many tweets between ads in your For You and following timelines. You can also add bold and italic text in your tweets, post longer videos and 1080p high-resolution video uploads, and all the existing Blue features including edit tweet, bookmark folders, and early access to new features. So basically, all you have to do is subscribe to Twitter Blue, follow the steps, and you will get verified. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.